I'm almost 3 weeks old. She'll be 3 weeks old tomorrow. Hello, princess. She likes to stay wrapped up in mommy's robe. And little cutie underneath. Oh, it's so cute. Gotta stay warm now. Yeah, mommy's little blondie. My little blondie girl. Yeah, your mama's blondie girl. Yeah. Yeah, mama's blondie girl. My little precious. Are you nice and warm? You're such a good girl. Yes, you are. I know. And you're hungry? Okay, Mama give you some milky. Yeah. Use little fingers. Oh, Mama's here. Oh, Mama's here. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Huh? There we go. Oh, you're holding Mama's hand. Okay, you ready to eat? Okay, we can eat. You're going to do your snorty? Oh my goodness, so cute and amazing. So cute and amazing. Yeah. Okay, so Mommy's sweet girl.